y'all. We have somewhere very fun to be this morning. Honestly, I haven't really been leaving my house, but today we are going to a little event with Skims. I just got my braids done yesterday. They are fresh. The Skim Store opens tomorrow, but I was invited to come in today. They reached out asking for my sizes and gave me a time to come in. I am so tired for reasons unknown. Like, I have just been so drained recently. Like, I literally don't have the energy to do anything. I recently got an espresso machine, so I'm gonna be baristaing it up downstairs in a little bit. I need to get my nails done. It's been 3 weeks, but I accidentally made, I don't know how I accidentally did this. I knew I needed to make an appointment somewhere, so I booked solid core for like 2 o'clock, but what I really need is my nails done. I'm dressed and ready for the Skim shopping. I don't think I'm supposed to be super dressed up anyways, but my outfit is a Skims Fits Everybody top, these Levi's 501 jeans, super cute. These are my favorite jeans ever because they're so comfortable. And then I'm just wearing like some black golden goose, and then it's my usual jewelry. I didn't go crazy in the outfit or anything, but I do think she's cute. I already drenched myself in this off camera. It's so good. Like, if you're a vanilla girl, this is the vanilla. Like, I'm addicted to the smell right now. All right, y'all, let's make our coffee. I bought all of these reusable cups from Amazon because I feel like whenever I drink it from a plastic cup, it makes me feel like I really got it from like a coffee shop, and then it just feels more official. Okay, I have all my syrups over here. I have shortbread, cookie dough, vanilla, pumpkin spice, and brown butter toffee. Ew, it's so sticky. I need a pump for this. Okay, we did a little bit of brown butter toffee syrup. Now we're gonna do some vanilla almond milk, and then my double shot, and then pour that over. Got to add cinnamon. Yes, it's great value cinnamon. It still tastes like cinnamon. Although my grandma says that great value cinnamon is not real cinnamon, it's just the dust that flies off of like the real cinnamon. I don't know how true that is. Very, very good. Okay, perfect. Let's go. Alright, so we're done with the Skim Store. That was super fun, and they gave me some freebies. These really cute underwear, like a little matching set. This little bralette set. It's so adorable. And then this deep sea long sleeve t-shirt, and this one zips. This is a size small. I don't know if this is gonna like fit exactly, because I only get size small in their like short sleeve shirts, and long sleeve I get a medium because I don't like when stuff is tight on my arms. But I'm gonna try it on when I get home and see how it fits. I haven't eaten anything, so I just got a smoothie because I can't cancel my solid core class. I don't want to pass out in there.
Do sugar chocolate nothing. Since the weather something flavor with a cocoa kind of baby, act like you know.
I'm showered, I'm clearly dressed. I'm on my way to get a drink really quick, and this is my outfit. Okay. I'm wearing this satin halter top from Zara. These Good American jeans. They are flared, and this is such a cute top. What are y'all doing? Hey. Okay, I'm wearing all my regular jewelry. We have David Yurman, Tiffany's, David Yurman. My perfume, I'm wearing Acro Glow. Oh, my light died. But this is a vanilla. It's not like your regular vanilla. It's not like sweet or cupcakey. It's like a warm, like peppery. It's like a peppery ambery vanilla, and it's so pretty. It definitely gives cool girl vibes. It's incense, amber, pink pepper, and this definitely gives drinks.
dancing. Seeing you got ritualistic.
Good morning, y'all. It's a couple of days later. My hair has finally settled a little bit. I didn't go anywhere yesterday. I literally stayed in my room all day long, but I decided maybe I should leave those four walls. I haven't gotten my nails done in a month, so I'm gonna go out to do that. And then also I broke my Starbucks cup. I love the Starbucks cups. It was a really cute black one and I dropped it and it cracked. This is like my 5th cup, so I'm like, you know what, I'm just gonna get a Stanley because they're invincible. I need to pick out a scent for today. I'm gonna go with the Vanilla Woods from 7 Virtues. This is like one of my favorite fall scents. I'm wearing the Skims top, these Zara shorts, and then my Golden Goose. These are my favorite shoes ever. Casual errands fit for today, nothing crazy.
This one's for the lovers. If you're out there, let me hear you say, yeah, 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 yeah.
This one's for the lovers. If you're out there, let me hear you say, yeah, 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 yeah.
This one's for the lovers. If you're out there, let me hear you say, yeah, 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 yeah.
This one's for the lovers. If you're out there, let me hear you say, yeah, yeah, yeah.
Break it down one time.
All right, y'all, so we are finished with my nails. I've had like a new zest for life after getting my nails done. Aaliyah's Face influenced me to try Gel X, and this is my 2nd time getting it, and I freaking love it. Like, I wish my camera would focus. Yeah, this is Gel X in the shade S'mores, and it's the perfect, like this, I'm obsessed with this color. I'm gonna get it for the rest of my life. Watch me only get it this one time though. I'm on my way to get a bite to eat because I haven't eaten in 48 hours. Okay, so I'm gonna go to Shake Shack and I'm gonna try that new truffle burger. Went in to get my Stanley earlier. I didn't film it because it was literally, I didn't go to Target. I went to Dick's Sporting Goods and they had them right at the front of the store. So I was like, oh, perfect. Hey, keep the trash too. And I got the last baby pink one, which is exactly what I wanted. So I'm like, oh, I was definitely supposed to have this. I cannot wait to see what this truffle burger is talking about because it's all I've been thinking about. Whenever I think about driving to Shake Shack, I'm like, I actually don't feel like eating anymore. So let's see. Mukbang! Let's see, truffle burger with crispy onions. I want to get the one with the stuffed mushroom. It was like a cheese stuffed mushroom and it was fried.
Where's the Shake Shack sauce?
I don't know how I feel.
What?
The onions are chewy. You want to try the sauce?
Oh, just a fry with.
Oh.
So
You did not just roll your eyes back.
I do.
How's yours?
Yeah, but something's a little off.
Alright, y'all, I'm finally back home. So let's do a little haul of everything I got for today. My little Stanley cup that I was talking about earlier. This is the pink quartz color and I feel like it, you know, I can see myself with this. It's cute. I did stop at Target, but honestly, I wasn't there for much, so I didn't feel like it was worth doing a whole thing about. But I got another bath net. These are the best hair ties for braids because it holds all of your hair. Definitely recommend, and I really like these for my hair is natural too. I got some baby powder just to, you know, lather myself up with, so I stopped walking around like a freaking slug. And then some French vanilla cold foam for my coffee because I am a barista. Like, what do you mean? I'm literally a barista. All right, I'm out of the shower. I'm just gonna do my skincare outside using this Naturium cleansing balm. My light died, but that's okay. I used to think these little makeup eraser towels were a gimmick, but I feel like they actually work. You don't need to use a cleansing balm with these because they're made to remove makeup, but I just like to get my skin extra clean. These lip balms from Peach and Lily are so good. I'm so picky about lip products, and this is like the perfect formula. I literally have dry patches on my lips right now, and this has really been helping me. I want to try this AHA exfoliating mask from Naturium tonight. This has rice powder, clay, lactic acid. I'm kind of ready to go to sleep. And it says you only leave it on for up to 5 minutes, so I can leave it on for 2 and be good. I feel like it would be best if I did use my hands, but I don't like touching face masks. It just feels so goopy. A little bit of this oil. Go over everything with this Peach and Lily Glass Skin Mist. This is so calming and it has a bunch of vitamins in it. Now we're ready for bed.
Should I assume you didn't mean it like that? Or should I assume you know exactly how you said it? You know exactly how you meant it? Should I assume it's me? Sweet disposition, switching position, rocking submission. Should I assume it's a weekend thing? Boy, you get ass all week, dropping it.
Ignore the mess back here, but this is my outfit of the day. It is super cute. Gymshark sent me some clothes. I did get baby powder on this. I always put baby powder between my thighs before I work out, but it's this backless, if you look at my kitchen you're anti-black, but it's this completely backless bra, and then these like booty accentuating leggings. The bra's in a small, the leggings are in a medium. It's so cute. I feel so strong. But I do feel like Gymshark is for girls that lift. I don't know. I feel like this isn't very Pilates, but it's super, super cute. I recently got some good stuff in the mail, you guys. I got the Charosta 71 body cream in. They sent this over, and I can't wait to try this out because I love 71. It smells like white chocolate macadamia cookies, and this has shimmer in it. And then the Harmonist sent over their Yin Transformation perfume. This is actually Janet Jackson's signature perfume, which I'm not surprised by. This smells very luxe. This has almond milk, iris, Bulgarian rose, orchid, musk, sandalwood, and benzoin, and I always just love their packaging. And then I got this candle from the maker that I lit this morning. This is called Rose Room. It is extremely fragrant. It smells kind of like, I don't like to compare stuff to Delina, but it smells like if Delina were a candle. It's really nice. Last part of my morning is making my coffee. So today's coffee is, I don't even know how to describe it. It's like a cinnamon cookie butter latte. I filled this with oat milk, and then I put a splash of sweet cream creamer. Then I have my double shot of espresso. Then I add some cinnamon and 1 pump of vanilla in this. I put just a little bit of this cookie butter syrup. I got this from Marshall's, I think. And this kind of smells like apple spice Glade, you know, those little plug-ins. Kind of smells like my grandma's house. But I put such a little bit because it's very, very, very strong. And on top of everything, I put a little cold foam, so it feels like I really got it from a place. Blue, you gonna go with mommy? Your brother's jealous. Are you ready to get a pup cup? You ready to get pup cup?
Worth the bad karma. I bet you like you both. Making bad decisions, how we begging and you love it. What's the difference? Still good. I'm good. What's the difference if it's still good? Just not so exclusively. Used to be all good.
You got 3.
Alright y'all, I've showered and done my makeup and everything. I'm going to happy hour, so I need to find something to wear. Really hot outside. It was nice and crisp this morning, but now it's like 92 degrees. I was envisioning like jeans and a bodysuit, but it's way too hot for jeans, so I might just put on a little dress. Alright, so this is my outfit for the day. It's just okay. I kind of don't really want to wear this, but we gotta go. It's this sculpt knit dress that I got from Aritzia a few years ago, and then just my Zuko Mama bag, and some Golden Goose. I feel like this gives happy hour, little sushi happy hour moment. I have on Kayali's Eden Sparkling Lychee because it literally smells like a lychee martini.